Hi, everybody. So we're on distance, we're in Mathia, and on this particular one, I want you to pay attention to the coordinate points because it actually goes positives and negatives. So this very first one is -13, -13, +11. So make sure you get your negatives. And the B is -5, +2. And then the C, to make it a right triangle, is going to be -5, 11. So make sure you get your negatives in there, okay? And the shorter leg, good boy, from 5 to 13 is 8, 8 and 9. So 8, the run is going to be the shorter, longer. Yep, 9. So the rise is 9. The shorter is the run. Okay, there we go. And now using the Pythagorean theorem, remember, just type that in. Got to click our little arrow to get our radical sign. Once you have the radical, we're going to go 9 shift squared plus 8 shift squared. Enter. Does the math for us. Perfect. Okay, go to the next one. So don't let negatives bother you. The calculator can help you. You can count the spots. Okay, all right. And again, head's in the way. So we're going to make this a right triangle. I'm going to come down because I love going down and over. So from 2 to 13, that's 11. And from 8, from -4 to -8. -4, -8, 4 units. So 4 by 11. Okay. So 2, -4. 2, -4. D, what's that? 13, -8. In terms of directions, we're going to go south. We go down. In terms of moving east. East. East is going to be to the right. And down. Yep, there we go. And C, so that we made the right triangle on mine, it's going to be -8 to -8. 2, -8. And then the shorter leg was the 4 units. Oh, longer. I make that mistake on every problem, don't I? So the longer, the shorter. Okay, and then we'll do a little Pythagorean theorem here. And that's just the square root. And the square root of 11 squared. So we go 11 shift 6 plus 4 shift 6, enter. And then last time it said use all the decimal points. So let's just do the whole thing. 11.7047. I guess it wants exact blocks. Cool. All right. Hit I'm done and see if it asks us for one more problem on this workspace. Looks like it. Okay, so again, scroll it up. Make a right triangle. There we go. And it tells us that it's right. It gives us the code. So lupe, -4, -9. -4, -9. And David, hey, I'm a David. 11, 10. 11, 10. In terms of directions, we're going to go east is going to be to the right. And we're going to go up. And then to make a right triangle, we ended up with -4, +10. -4, +10. Now let's see if we can do the longer one. -9. -9 all the way to 10. 10 units. 9 units, 19 units, big numbers. From -4 to 11, -4 to 11. So that's 11 and 4, 11, 4, 15. Okay. And then we'll just use some Pythagoras here. So we're going to click on square root. 11 shift squared plus 15 shift squared, but somehow our plus sign is missing, so we got to go stick that in there. There we go. Plus, enter. Oh, 19. 19. Oops. 19. Another day goes by, Monty doesn't make a mistake. And we better do the whole thing. 24.2074. Cool. We got our flag. We hit on done. Hey, we completed a workspace. So thank you for working on Mathia this week. We'll see you next week. Area. Cool. We know how to do area of rectangles, length times width.